Okay, so first things first, you have to take out all the things inside your pantry and check all the expiration dates of your food. Make sure to measure your cabinet before you buy new containers so that you will know if it will fit properly or not. Like the small packets of spices, you have to put them in a container because it looks super messy if you just put them like this. I removed the tea bags inside the box because I think it will be easier if I put them in these containers. It will be easier for me to take them if I need them. Okay, so this one still looks messy. So I think I'm gonna do something for this container. Instead of throwing this tea bag box, I'm going to use it as a divider for the container. So the technique is you make sure that you put the same things together and put them nicely so it will look uniform and nice. It is actually nice if you have like a see-through cover or like a see-through container so you will be able to see what are the things that you have or you don't have. I bought this clear glass containers for my flour, sugar, and oats. I prefer using glass because it's easier to wash and they look really nice. Now we're done. So on the topmost part of the cabinet, I put all these stocks because we're not really like using them in a daily basis, so they can stay there on top. Then moving on the second, I use containers so that it will be easier to pull them out if you need something. These are the chips and then the sauce and some other things. And I use a clear container so I will still be able to see what are the things inside. So after I remove a lot of things during my inventory, I found out that I have a lot of space. So I'm able to put this container for my baby's bottles there. So there's a lot of space, and you can see here, even if they're behind, I can still see what are the things inside of them because I use a transparent container. So I'm still going to be able to know if there's still stock or not anymore. Here is a much more accessible part of the cabinet where I put my condiments, my soy sauce all together, and then the vinegar all together. These are like baking things all in one container there, and this part as well. Okay, so these are the glass containers that I have filled just now. And as you can see, I put labels on them. It's nice because if someone doesn't know what are these things, they'll be able to know. And if you remove the package, make sure that you write down the expiration date so you won't have a problem if this food is still okay or not. This is the lower part of the cabinet wherein It's a little bit dark at night, so we decided to put a light on them. Yeah, that's another nice technique that you can do. And this is a drawer. We bought this drawer from IKEA because it's the lower part of the cabinet, so it's kind of easy if you just have to pull this out rather than just bend down and get all the things that you need. So it's like that. So I put organizers. This is for the drinks, and then these are for the other things. There. Make sure you face the label in front of you so you can always see them clearly. And always make sure that you maximize your space. For example, this one, I still have extra area for my foil and my plastic sheets, so I can put them behind. Okay, on this other part, I put all the noodles together in one area, and then some miscellaneous things over here. I still have some empty spaces, so if in case I do some grocery, I have a lot of space to put them in. Alright, and because I did some inventory, I was able to have this lower space empty to put my steamer and my waffle maker. So there you have it, my pantry. Alright, so I hope you learned something, and if you like this video, just press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell if you want some updates for my future videos. Thank you for watching, everyone.